Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fuel a blast furnace in Minecraft. To get started, simply place your chosen fuel into the bottom fuel slot of the blast furnace interface. Then, add the items you wish to smelt, such as raw iron or gold ore, into the top input slot. The blast furnace will immediately begin smelting, consuming fuel at the same rate as a regular furnace but processing items much faster. This makes it incredibly efficient for large-scale ore processing. When choosing fuel, consider its burn time versus availability. Lava buckets are the most efficient per item, smelting 100 items before depleting. However, they are not stackable. Coal and charcoal are excellent, readily available options, each smelting 8 items. Blaze rods obtained from blazes in the Nether are also a strong choice, smelting 12 items per rod. Wood planks and saplings work, but are far less efficient for large operations. To truly maximize your blast furnace's potential, automation is key. Utilize hoppers to feed fuel into the bottom slot and raw materials into the top. Another hopper can collect the smelted items from the side or bottom. This setup allows for continuous operation without constant manual intervention. For example, a chest filled with coal connected to a hopper feeding the furnace ensures a steady fuel supply, letting you focus on other tasks while your ores are processed. Maintaining a steady fuel supply is crucial for uninterrupted smelting. Always keep an eye on your fuel reserves, especially during large smelting projects. Also, remember to monitor your output hoppers to prevent them from filling up, which could lead to lost items. Blast furnaces are a powerful tool for any miner, significantly speeding up resource processing. For more great deals and to check out those leak-proof meal prep containers, make sure to look at the links in the description below. They are super handy for keeping your food fresh.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.